So I just came back from the gym. I spent almost 2 hours 16 minutes at the gym today. Today was my back workout and I go like next level hardcore on back workout. 855 active calories and 1108 total calories. Good job, Sriman. Anyways, as soon as I come back from the gym, the first thing I have to do is prepare my black coffee. Very important. It is bitter in the beginning, but you'll get used to it. Anyways, welcome back to the channel. What's up, guys? Kaise ho? Hello, hope everyone is doing. Chalo, let's go take a shower. Let's get fresh. By the way, I started using the charcoal range from Mamaearth. I mean, if you want to clean your face like normally, basic face wash and all that will work. But if you want to go next step, much deeper, you need deep cleaning. That is where the charcoal range comes in. The range has three things: the charcoal face wash, the face scrub, and the C3 face mask. The face wash is pretty interesting. It's got activated charcoal and coffee. If you want to grab and pull out the dirt, the grime, the oils from deep within your pores, this is where activated charcoal will help. It's got coffee as well. As you guys know, coffee is a great antioxidant. Once you clean your face, I mean deep clean your face, you can also use the charcoal face scrub. See, basically overall face looks bad when there are like blackheads, lot of dead skin and all that. All this has to be exfoliated. This is where the scrub helps. And then finally I finish it off with the C3 face mask. The mask is infused with charcoal, coffee and clay. You can apply a generous layer of this mask on your face and your neck. Just leave it for 15 minutes. You can scrub and wash it off with lukewarm water. And as you guys know, all Mamaearth products are natural. It's free of sulfates, parabens, silicones. Charcoal range is dermatologically tested. It is suitable for all skin types. In case you like to order, there are links in the description. You can check out the Mamaearth's official app as well. You can use my coupon code SRIMAN2021, get flat 20% off at Mamaearth. You can also order from Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart and Mamaearth's official website and the app. So let me get fresh and I'll see you guys. So we got fresh. We have an unboxing today. A very important. I think this will be the last. I think it will be the last big accessory for the BMW 1250 GS Adventure. Hopefully, I promise. Toothpaste promise. Remember this box? It was under the Clearwater Lights box. I didn't expect this to be so heavy, dude. It is at least. It's a crazy 16 kilos. 15 kilos is literally the weight of a LPG cylinder. Alright guys, these are the Pannier bags from Lone Rider. If you ask me, my personal favorite when it comes to luggage, the premium quality, sturdiness, the reliability, luggage systems, definitely I'll give it to Lone Rider, especially soft bags. In case you're someone like one of my friends who doesn't like boxes, like metal panniers, then you can go for soft cases like this. Now we'll have to figure out how to put this on the bike. Sriman, you have pannier boxes, like proper stock BMW pannier boxes. Then why did you get these? Actually, I did not get it. Lone Rider sent it to me. When I talk about quality, this is what I'm talking about. The feel. This is proper waterproof material, by the way. I'm not sure, but I think this directly mounts onto the stock pannier frame. This is one bag. This is the second bag. Oh, what is this system, dude? Okay, there you go. Right pannier, left pannier, or left pannier, right pannier, no idea. By the way, not pannier. You can call them pannier soft boxes, maybe something like that. Let's go put this on the bike and see how they'll look. Okay, actually these are fitting directly on these frames. Only thing is, you see this lock over here? I think you need to open this lock so that this one fits on the upper frame. So this one is the right pannier, the one which has a bigger bracket. This comes over the right because of the exhaust. It's a little bit protruded, the frame. So once you open this opens like this. All you need to do is mount these over the frame. Actually, I realized that these bags are made exactly as per measurement for the BMW stock frame because everything fits very perfectly. These go over here. See the shape? This sits over here. That's it. Secure it properly and lock it. Same with the other side as well. But that's not done. You can still expand these. So I need to properly pack it so that it expands properly. They can go like this wide, almost as big as a normal pannier. Actually, BMW stock metal panniers are wider, little bit wider than this, but I think these are taller. You have this nice brackets as well, and you can even put proper locks. These bags come with proper locks, number locks. I'll show it to you. Those locks you can put it over here and properly secure it. So in case you're leaving your bike somewhere in the parking lot, you can just lock it. Almost as secure as a metal pannier. But in case someone has a chaku, in case someone has a blade, they can cut it up. Obviously it's a fabric, but then there is an advantage with a soft pannier. In case the bike falls, like I fell in Ladakh twice, the metal boxes, they take some beating. All that energy is also transformed into the frame. This is a soft bag, so cushioning effect of the soft bag is going to take the impact. Metal boxes, when they get scratches, it's permanent. And in case of a stronger impact, there'll definitely be a dent on a metal box. On this, there are no dents. That is the advantage of having soft panniers. If your plan is to do a lot of off-roading, then I think you're better off getting a soft pannier than a metal pannier. And actually they go really well with this color. The HP color, that is the beauty of the HP color. Every damn thing suits really well on it. Unfortunately, they stopped producing this color now. There's a new HP color. And luckily, I'm the last one to get this HP color, this version in India. Each of the softbox takes nothing more than 10 seconds to unmount or mount. Put the keys, open it, latch it out, pull it. Literally not even 10 seconds, 5 seconds. Also, if you go into the detail of this bag, of course this like proper rubberized waterproof material, all the stitching and all, double stitching you have, so it's going to be very sturdy. Apart from this, I like this corners here. So in case of a fall, these take the damage. These are like bumpers, and also they help keep everything in place. That's it. Man, this is heavy AF. Like, look at me right now. I'm using a huge tripod, a huge A7S3 with a huge mic, and this is at least 12 kilos. And that is the reason, don't mind my sweat in this vlog. Full on, there is next level humidity. And now for the worst part. Cleaning up all this mess is definitely a cry day. Oh yes. And the lock I was talking about is this one. Once you close the bag from the top, you can use this number lock and lock it up. So now let's get out. We're going for a quick lunch date with Pooja. I have to go and pick her up from office. And I've just realized that my car is looking very bad. Sorry, the 33 km per liter wala Seltos is looking bad. You know, this is one issue when you want to give your car for service. Literally from the last 1 week I've been saying this, that I want to give the car for service, but that is not happening at all. One day I was free, I wanted to send it, but then that day it was raining, they didn't send the driver to pick it up. Now I need the car almost every day, so I'll have to wait. Once we get a little bit free, I know I have the orange color beautiful Verna out there, but then dad also needs it. And the more complicated thing is, when you wanted to give your car for service, you don't clean it because you want proper deep cleaning done by the showroom. But that's not happening, this is not happening. See, man. By the way, just beautiful weather outside. It is sunny, it is hot. Our car shows 31 degrees right now. But look at the sky, man. This is how we like it when we want to ride. 31 degrees, 32 right now. I like that kind of intermittent clouds. Firstly, because you get nice time lapses. And second thing is, we can take the bikes out. Because I have to take the car out, I'm taking it out. If I'm going alone, I really don't like taking the car out. Yeah, it's so irritating in traffic and all that. You have comfort and all that AC, but bike ka maza is next level. Especially street when in the streets with that nice duk-duk sound, it's amazing. How can I not record? Pooja is saying today I thought you'll not record.
Yeah, because
it's very difficult, you know, without recording.
It's my working day, no?
It feels handicapped without camera in my hand. Anyways, how's work, back to office.
I went for some meetings today. Not actually back to the office, but I'll keep
I
going
understand
sometime.
mask is very important, but you're the only one who wears a mask with me, that too inside a car.
Because you go to so many places, na?
I came directly from home here, dude.
Okay, dude. Happy, dude.
By the way, English teacher is here. I don't know, people are talking about Anna, don't disturb me, Anna. 1 second, Anna. I'm also working, bro.
It's okay, wait, I'll give.
1 second, we want to give something. हमारा प्यार क्या बच्चा भी हो गया?
मेरा बच्ची को इसका इलाज करवाएगा।
अच्छा भैया, मैं दे रही हूँ, आपको सम्मान बताओ ना।
मेरा बच्ची मर जाएगा, हमारा इसका 100 रुपए का मदद मांगा। 100 रुपए कर दे, इसका खुनकर कमी है बड़ी, हमारा इसका खुनकर बोतल चढ़ा।
अभी ये डिमांड भी कर रहा, हाउ मच ही वांट्स डूड? हाउ मच यू गिव 50? इसलिए आपका प्यार बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा. ओके, पीपल आर कॉलिंग मी इंग्लिश टीचर और यू इंग्लिश टीचर. आई एम अ बिट कंफ्यूज्ड अबाउट दिस. व्हेन यू आर नॉट कमिंग इन द व्लॉग, पीपल आर सेइंग देयर इज नो इंग्लिश टीचर इन द व्लॉग टुडे.
वो तेरी वजह से, तू ही बोला मेरे को इंग्लिश टीचर.
You are English teacher only.
I am not an English teacher, guys. Come on.
This is a weird time to go for a coffee, right? 3 o'clock mid-afternoon.
It's your coffee. It's my lunch time. I didn't have lunch.
Treat by Pooja.
Yeah, always ready.
I thought I'll vlog here, but music is too loud. Food ordering is going on. Names are very, very complicated once again. Chicken curry with focaccia. Focaccia. This is chicken curry with focaccia. There's one more name I heard. Poison menu. What is this? English teacher. See, this is why we call you English teacher.
No.
Meandro. What is this, Ray?
Minier.
Minier.
It's a French word.
Mushroom zuricois.
Zurichoise.
Zuricois.
You're a bad guy.
3, 2, 1. Hey, what's up?
Hi, baby.
Come here.
Hi, baby.
Put everything here. Come, we'll play. Nice. Anything new? Anything new? No. Nice. Karma karo, karma. Freeze karo, freeze. What is that? Huh? Green. Okay, next. Okay. What is that? Lolo. Next. You're doing like Chandramukhi. Next. What is that, Nisha? Bucket. Supplement.
She's calming me, see? Nasha, come on.
There is Batkama going on there somewhere in those apartments. Abhi, how is Sriman Kotaro's channel complete without giving a weather update? Oh yes, it started raining next level heavily. Like, look at this, dude. Thank God we didn't take the bike and you guys were expecting this dialogue, na? Also, I wanted to give you guys an update about the irritating noise that was coming from behind. It is solved. After putting that plaster in my last vlog, it is properly solved. No more sound. Thank you so much whoever gave me the solution about it. The Desi Jugaad worked. Now I think I'll permanently fix that because now I know where the issue is. Or it just reached home and absolutely no clue what is this box. You see, this is how a YouTuber's life is. Something or the other, someone will keep sending, and then when I do unboxing, you people will be like, not everyone, but some will be like, Sriman is fiercely doing unboxing. We just unboxed this new bags, right? I'm not sure what is that. I have no energy to do that right now. Time is literally almost 10 o'clock. I need to sit and edit this video as well. So I'll get fresh and get ready to edit. And always, I really like the Mamaearth charcoal range. I'll put all the links in the description. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on their website to tree that they plant. Their aim is to plant at least 1 million trees by 2025. Also, they're plastic positive, which means they recycle more plastic than they use. Right now, currently, they recycle over 240 metric tons of plastic every month. So then I'll end the video here. In case for some reason you like this video, definitely hit the like button. Do share, do comment, and do subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog.